What are the top three pieces or types of evidence that you should include with your fiancé visa application to give you the best chances of winning your case? Hi, I'm attorney Megan Pastrana of Immigration for Couples, and my firm is dedicated exclusively to helping couples across the nation and across the world and navigating the U.S. immigration process. So I received this question a lot. I know a lot of couples, when they're starting out on their immigration journey, they want to know, what is the list? What are the documents that I need to provide? And well, the answer is that when you're proving your relationship to immigration, every relationship is unique. So what you will need to provide is a little different in every case. But there are really three main types of evidence that every application should include. And that first type of evidence is what we call bona fide relationship evidence. Evidence that proves to immigration that you have a relationship based on love and not just to receive an immigration benefit. And this category kind of bleeds into the other two categories that I'll discuss. They're kind of intersected. But what types of evidence that includes would be, photos are really common, text messages, plane tickets, anything that shows that both of you, spend time together, have been fostering and nurturing your relationship. Those are a few examples from that category. The next type or the next piece of evidence that every application should include and must include is evidence that you've met in person and the 2 years prior to filing your application. We at Immigration for Couples, we commonly see individuals who have tried to do their own application come to us realizing that they missed this really important piece of evidence and they've received a request for evidence from immigration and need to, that's their last chance to prove to immigration, that they meet this requirement. So immigration is very strict. I know sometimes couples will ask, well, is there any leeway at the front or the back end of those 2 years? But you really have to make sure it's in that 2 years prior to filing the application. Plane tickets, passport stamps, hotel reservations, photos with date stamps. And then the last category of evidence is proof that you're both legally able and free to marry. So if that means if you had prior relationships, prior marriages, that those marriages have ended in death or a divorce. And so that evidence would have to be included as well. All right, so those are the three types of evidence that every fiancé visa application should include. If you'd like to learn more about the fiancé visa process and also have access to our free relationship guide that goes into even more detail, I invite you to check out our free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com. Thanks for watching.